Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shelly for those who do not know, and today we have a special video because my cousin Jessica is back on the scene. For those who do not know, this is my little cousin Jessica. She has made an appearance on my channel. I will link the video that me and her did before on this channel in the card. So I went over to my aunt's house a couple weeks ago, and me and her decided to just play in some makeup because she has her own lash line, which I will also put down in the description box below. Make sure you go support my cousin, y'all. And yeah, so without further ado, if you guys would like to see how I achieved this purple glittery smoky eye, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, you already know how I'm starting it off. We doing some skin prep, and you guys know I don't play about my skin prep. Oh, also, all the products that I will be using will be linked down in the description bar below. Once I'm done my Halloween stuff, y'all, I will be doing a full video on what's in my makeup kit, because I've been getting a lot of questions about what's inside of my makeup kit, what products I use. I don't really use nothing too fancy. So yeah, but we'll get into another video. But yeah, so right now I just cleaned her face and I toned her skin, and we was acting a little stupid in there because it was Sunday. We was all chilling in the house having a little girls day, and now I am just moisturizing her face. And to apply the moisturizer, I just use this double-ended brush I got from IMATS, I believe, one year. But anyway, I will pat that in with a wet beauty blender, in this case a Real Technique sponge. Same thing, cheaper price. So as a little treat, and also because I know we're using shadows that are a little bit more chalkier during quarantine, I actually cleaned out my kit and also cleaned out my makeup, and I didn't realize that I forgot to put back in my good palette. For the most part, I was using eyeshadows from the Morphe 35B palette, and that used to be one of my favorite palettes when I first started getting into makeup, and especially when I used to freelance a lot. But as my artistry grew, I started playing around with a lot more other palettes and stuff, and Morphe alone is a good brand, don't get me wrong, but their formulation has come a very long way. So I've become a little bit more pickier with the eyeshadow formulation. Is going to have a lot of fallout, so I want to protect her under eyes, especially because I know once I'm done, I like to go in with my eye cream after, when I get to the face portion of my makeup. That was a very long explanation, but you guys will understand in a second what I mean. Anyway, on to brows. Jessica has really nice brows, so honestly I didn't really have to do too much. So I'm just filling in like kind of where her arch is, and kind of where her tail is mostly. But other than that, she has really nice brows. I didn't really have to do too much, so I'm just going to talk to you guys when we get to the eye portion of this look. Now for the base, usually I would just use a concealer. It works perfectly fine. I do it all the time, even on myself for my looks. And I'm actually going a shade lighter because we are going to be using very bright colors. I want to make sure they transfer over. And that's after the fact I realized that I didn't have my better quality eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, so I was like praying that this will work out the way it did, and it ended up working out. I just get nervous sometimes when I don't have certain stuff. You know how it is if you're a makeup artist. Okay, so the first color I go in is this really pretty lilac purple, and here's where I'm talking about that Morphe has come a long way with their quality of eyeshadows. This started skipping on Jessica's eyes. Oh my god, when I say I was internally screaming, like, baby, you see me switching the brushes, I was really trying to make it work, but this brush actually kind of saved me. But still, I was internally screaming. Like, it worked out a lot better on the other side, but maybe I'm just a picky artist. Maybe that's what it is. But either way, it shouldn't do that. So the next color I go into is this indigo color, and I go in with a really tiny pointed fluffy brush, and I'm going directly on her crease, and I'm just making little baby circular motions on her crease to blend it out some more. And I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Sorry, my head's in the way, y'all. I really was trying to be mindful of we're filming right now. But I had to get in there and make sure everything was blended correctly, because there's nothing worse than a disconnected eyeshadow look. Alright, so I decided last minute I wanted to do a cut crease. I know, I feel like I always do a cut crease, but I just feel like it just cleans everything up. So right now I am just slowly using that concealer to clean up and make her eye shape. I'm going a little bit above, just a teeny bit above where her eyeball is, just to kind of make it look a little teeny bit bigger. She has somewhat hooded eyelids, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, so again, I'm only going a little bit, nothing too dramatic, just go around. So next I'm going to go in, and I'm using this very light iridescent like purple color, and it has a lot of different hues of other colors in it, and it looks very faint, but I promise it makes a difference. This is just going to be our base before we actually apply our glitter. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of some hot pink color, and I'm going to go around the edges of the purple shade we originally put on there. It was looking a little crazy to me, so I just went back and reblended it. Don't feel bad about going back and reblending. I blend like crazy whenever I do any type of eye look on someone else. Then I'm going to go back into that dark purple color, and I'm going to just fade that in from the outer V into the eye shape. And it's going to create a really deep smoky effect, which I like. And I've been doing this a lot lately with all my eye looks. I just like the way it comes out. It just looks very sultry. So now we are going to apply some eyeliner. No wing this time, y'all, I know. But we are going to make the eyeliner super, super thick. Yes, honey. So these are the lashes. Sorry, it's blurry. But again, these are Jessica's lashes that she sells. So go follow her. And I'm just applying them. These lashes are so lit. Like, as soon as she blinked, like I just got my whole wig bloom back. Like, for real. Like, whoo, y'all know I love a good lash. So here's the fun part where we add the glitter. I'm so mad because I actually wanted just straight purple glitter, but I didn't have any, which is something I need to buy. But instead we just added this really fun like pink and purples and a little bit of silver glitter all together and made our own type of little glitter concoction. So yeah, so here I am just applying the glitter. All I did was just add some duo glue, let it dry down, and then I just added the glue. Boom. So I told y'all it would be a lot of fallout, so I'm just grabbing a makeup wipe and I'm just slowly and gently wiping away all that excess eyeshadow that fell out around her eyes. Thank God I had them eye patches on her because it probably would have been all underneath her eyes too. But yeah, so I'm just cleaning that up really quick, and then right after that I'm going to apply the eye cream, and then I'll proceed with the rest of the face. So now I am just applying a primer to her skin. Adding a little eyebrow gel because I forgot to do that in the beginning. Oh my god, I thought it was a spider on me. I was about to scream in this mic. But anyway, I'm going to continue to apply the Myrick's face illuminators. Oh my god, this is my first time I used them. Let me tell y'all something. That stuff made, like, Jessica already has really good skin, but it made her skin like photoshopped. It made no sense. Like, oh my god, this stuff is so amazing. I am trying these out along with new foundations from Myrick's. Oh my god, her stuff is so bomb. Love it. And now I'm going to apply Jessica's foundation. Now it looks like it's lighter right now. That's because the lighting was a little funny because the sun was literally going in and out. I can't control the weather, you guys, but I promise you, in person it matched your skin tone. In photos it matched your skin tone. So yeah, just putting that out there. I know it looks a little crazy. I understand where some of y'all might be coming from when y'all looking at this, but it matches, I promise. So now I'm applying some concealer, and I actually need to get my hands on some Juvia's Place concealer because I like the way they lay out. Anyway, so sorry if you hear that noise in the background. I'm also going to add a little lighter shade also on top of that to brighten her up on her under eyes a little bit. Not that she needs it, but I just like that extra pop of color. Looks good in photos. I'm going to blend that out with a little tiny brush and a beauty blender right afterwards. I'm going to set her under eyes with some Sacha Buttercup powder with a little bit of banana powder. And then I'm going to go on and set the rest of her face in with some pressed foundation. And then we are going to move on to contouring. I just contour with powders because I feel like they're a little bit more forgiving. Honestly, I haven't really cream contoured nobody, honestly, except for myself, or unless they ask. So then I go back under her waterline and I tightline, also smoke out her lash line, and add mascara to her lower lash line. And we're just going to go with a basic nude lip. So I'm just using a really light brown lip liner, and I'm just filling her lips in along with kind of coloring them in a little bit, and just adding a clear gloss, and we're good to go on the lips. Spray her down in some Fix Plus really quick. Oh my god. And then I'm going to add the highlighter all over her face. Of course, you know, we like a good highlight around here. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Now we're going to show her the mirror and see how she feels.
You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that fire? You see that fire? Get into that detail. You see the joint? They could never, honestly. They could never.
But yeah, right after that, I decided to be even more extra, add more body shimmer to her collarbone, her décolleté area, and her shoulders. So yeah, we want a little extra with this go around. But that is it for this video, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time that I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ooh, your skin look good. You are so annoying. Oh my god.
Let me see.
Can we do it after, like when my makeup is done? I'm gonna try talking about some. These are my lashes. They're gonna be like, ooh. Is that what she looks like? Ooh, them joints are thick. I like that. Get that hair, get that bread, then leave. Okay, let me stop being ratchet. Jess. I ain't noticed because my money ain't. What? Outside probably gonna be closed and I won't be able to go to IMAX this year. I haven't been in a while. Oh, hey. Look at you. I'm screwed. Hey, yo, double fit.
We look really nice, Jess. Okay.